I spent 3 weeks testing 20 different AI writing tools. Same prompts, same tasks, real-world use cases. Most of them are mediocre. Only 3 are actually worth your time and money. The AI writing tool market is worth $5.2 billion in 2026. That means hundreds of tools fighting for your attention, and most of them are just ChatGPT wrappers with a pretty interface. My testing method. Each tool got the same 5 tasks: a blog post, a marketing email, a product description, a social media thread, and a technical document. I score them on quality, speed, ease of use, and price. Let me save you time with the ones that didn't make the cut. Tools like Copy AI, WriteSonic, and RYER produce generic, forgettable content. They're fine for filler, but if you want writing that actually converts or engages, they fall short. The middle tier, tools like Grammarly Go, WordTune, and AnyWord. These are decent at specific tasks. Grammarly Go is great for rewriting, but weak at drafting from scratch. WordTune nails tone adjustment, but none of them are complete solutions. Winner number 3, Claude. The best for long-form writing, nuanced content, and anything that requires actually understanding context. Upload your style guide, and it produces content that sounds human. The free tier is generous enough for most creators. Winner number 2, Jasper. The best for marketing teams. Brand voice consistency, campaign workflows, and templates for every marketing channel. It's not cheap at $49 a month, but it pays for itself if you produce marketing content daily. Winner number 1, ChatGPT Produce. Still the most versatile AI writing tool. Custom GPTs let you build specialized writing assistants. Canvas mode for document editing. And GPT 4.0 is genuinely good at following complex instructions. $20 a month, worth every penny. Quick comparison. For pure writing quality, Claude wins. For marketing workflows, Jasper wins. For versatility and everyday use, ChatGPT wins. Pick based on what you actually write, not what looks flashy on a landing page. Those are the only 3 AI writing tools worth paying for in 2026. Full rankings and test results in the description. Subscribe, and I'll keep testing so you don't have to.